Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial, and in this video we'll be going through our Android AR platform, and we'll be deploying a new meshes inside this and animating our character accordingly in order to create a new augmented reality structure. Okay, I'll teach you how to do that. As you can see, I've opened a blank project. If you don't know how to open a blank project, I've created a new video for that. Please check that. Okay, let's go, and you can see this all. You can see the content, and go inside the handheld AR, go inside the blueprint, and you can see the placeable here, and go to the BP placeable. Yep, there we go, BP placeable, and inside the viewport you can see this guy is standing right here, and yes, this is exactly which we have seen in our last video. This is the mesh model. To add a static mesh to our field, to our view field, click on the add here, go to static mesh, and make this a child of the placeable scene component in order to show this on the screen. Click on the static mesh, go to the static mesh and open, and you can place any static meshes you like. Let's see, let's say we have some statue. Okay, that looks so big. So let's scale it down to 0.1. Yes, we have this one. It's something called a statue. Okay, let's duplicate this one. Let's make another one. Let's make a bush here. Yes, that looks so good. Let's compile and save. And now you can also preview this model in your Android device. To do that, in your Android device, enable the USB debugging mode inside your developer options. And actually it's harmful, guys, so be careful while doing the USB debugging. So after you connect your mobile through USB to your computer, click here, change play mode, and you'll be seeing an additional option called launch Android device, or some option which is actually your mobile ID, and you should click on this one, and Android Studio will package your project and place your project and install it in your Android device. You can preview it anytime you want without even your USB connection to your computer. That's independent app. Now getting into our topic, don't forget to place all the static meshes inside this placeable scene component. If you place this outside of the scene component, it won't display on the Android device while you are doing your AR project. So now you can also go to the event graph, and you can also work in right here. You can also make your custom codes in order to display something else, etc. Okay, now we'll place animation character inside this, and we'll play the animation while we open our AR app, like this one. Okay, like this one I've actually shown. Like this one, this Xbot is dancing before this guy. Okay, now let's see how to do that one. Okay, let's go to our Chrome or any browser you have. Go to Mixamo and go to the first link. Login first. First, you need to log in, and you will be prompted like this one. Go to the characters and pick any character you want. Let's pick this character for now. It says it's a mutant. Wow, it's giant beast actually. Okay, now click on the download. You can set it to the T-pose, and don't change this anything. Just don't forget to click on the select the T-pose option. Click on the download. After you download, open your content browser, and don't drag and drop this one inside your Unreal Engine, and minimize this one. Don't select the skeletal because it will be automatically generating a skeletal for you. Just click on import all. Don't forget to reset to default and click on import all, and you can see it. Yep, you can see the skeletal mesh, physics asset, skeletal. Yep, let's actually create a new folder, mutant. Let's move this inside this. Control all S. Let's save this one. Yes. And then go back to your Mixamo and go to animations. Let's take any animation from here. Okay, let's take this mutant swiping and let's download this one. Inside here, you should select the without skin and keyframe reduction to none. You can increase the frames to 60. Click on download. As usual, drag and drop this mutant swiping inside this. And don't forget to select the mutant skeletal here. Actually, it is selected in default. And leave this as usual. Then import all. You can see mutant swiping, and double click this one. You can see the mutant swiping animation is playing. Okay, inside this, let's create animation blueprint. Yes, animation blueprint. Click on the mutant skeletal, create mutant animation. Yes, let's open this, and now we'll see the mutant swiping here. Drag and drop this one and connect this one and compile. You can see the mutant is swiping, and don't forget to loop animation. Yes, compile, and you can see the mutant is swiping continuously. Yes, then close this one, and again you need to create a blueprint class. Inside its actor class, mutant underscore main. Before this we'll give a bp underscore mutant main. Okay, let's add a skeletal here, skeletal mesh, and the skeletal should be the mutant. Yes, you can see the mutant is right here, and the animation class we need to give our mutant animation. Yes, compile, save, and close this one. Inside the bp placeable, you need to add click on this placeable first and add a child actor. Yes, a child actor. Inside the child actor class, you need to give mutant main. Yes, you can see the mutant is spawned but is so big. Okay, let's scale this down to 0.1, and you can see the mutant is now scaled down. Okay, let's move this right here, and let's turn this little bit. Yep, you can see the mutant is attacking the robot. And then if you export this one inside Android and package project, or else you can also do this by clicking here and selecting your Android device. It will directly install it in your Android device. No need to worry. Like this one, you can also do many things, guys. It's completely expandable, guys. You can also give effects if you are a VFX artist inside Unreal. Anything you need, guys. This is completely expandable. So have a great day, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.